Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are continuing the 12 nights of Spooky Christmas. Today I'm here with my little boy Peanut.
What's up?
We are going to be making for you the bruja cauldron slime.
Ooh.
Ooh. So essentially it is a clear slime and we're gonna throw in some magic. What you'll need is a bottle of clear Elmer's glue, a teaspoon of baking soda, contact solution, food coloring of your choice, glitters and confetti, a bowl and spoon for mixing. A full description will be on my blog at lifeisawitch.com. Peanut and I had so much fun, and this is a perfect thing to make during the holiday vacation with your kids. Now let's get started and enjoy. Alright, so first, go ahead and pour all this in.
All of it?
All of it in. Yep. Squeeze it out. Here you're adding the water, the glue, the baking soda, all together. If you're enjoying this video with me and my son Peanut, give it a thumbs up and comment below if you have any more suggestions on any DIYs or tutorials or activities that you would like us to do. Are your kids just as obsessed with slime as Peanut? He loves it, and the fact that we're making it is even better, so I'm sure your kids will very much be happy during the holiday season with you. Add a teaspoon of baking soda, and if you'd like you can add your color in now, but make sure you mix all the ingredients very well so that you don't see any more of the baking soda. So only a little bit, okay? So here you go. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it.
Drops. Now can I mix it up?
Now slowly mix it up, okay?
Ooh.
Make sure you get all the white. I had to take over the mixing. He said his hand was getting tired. Once everything is mixed well, you can slowly add some contact solution while mixing at the same time. Take your time with the contact solution, because if you do add too much, it'll turn the slime too hard and it'll get really rubbery. And we don't want that. I'm going to add some more contact solution. So you see, it's already building up and it's getting thicker.
That looks like what's the thing what you put in the
A potion?
Yeah.
It does look like a potion, huh?
Yeah. Can I put the pumpkins in?
Yes, we'll pour it in right now. Okay. Now.
Now I can put it in?
Okay, go ahead and put it in. That's it. That's it. Okay.
Wait, have we made we should the next one we should make Frankenstein slime.
Ooh, we should.
Actually dinosaur slime.
That would be so. If you love glitter just as much as me and Peanut, give this video a thumbs up. The pumpkins that I'm adding I got from the store called Daiso, and the glitter I got from the Michaels store. And yes, I did add the rest of the glitter to our slime. Peanut had so much fun doing this with me, and I'm sure if you had your kids or your niece or your nephews or your cousins over for the holidays, this would be a great activity, and it'll keep them occupied for hours. Playing with slime is so satisfying, and it's such a relaxing thing. Whenever I'm stressed out or I'm a little anxious, I just play with slime and it just kind of calms me down, puts me in a happy place. I like to store our slime in an airtight container like this plastic one that I got at the store, and you can find these at any Walmart, Target, any market. Even Tupperware would be perfect for this. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. If you did, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow for the third night of Spooky Christmas. Bye!